When you search for best modern Timex watches for men, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really stands out, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Ironman Triathlon Classic 30. The men's Ironman Triathlon Classic 30. This Timex watch caught my attention with its bold digital face and a price tag of just $49.94. If you want something that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 100-meter water resistance, it's perfect for swimming or snorkeling, so you won't have to worry about taking it off during your workouts. It features customizable alarms and a dual time zone, making it a great companion for anyone constantly on the go. Plus, the Indiglo backlight ensures you can read the time in any lighting, which is a game changer during early morning runs or late night workouts. Over 4,000 of these have flown off the shelves in the past month, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the strap being a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, it softens up over time and provides a secure fit. If you're looking for a watch that's not just stylish but also incredibly functional, this is a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you're an active person who wants a reliable watch for workouts and daily activities. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic analog style. For under $50, it's a great value. Now, if the Ironman's digital face isn't your style, the next watch might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Expedition Scout 40mm. The men's Expedition Scout 40mm watch, priced at just $39.98. This one really caught my eye with its rugged design and outdoor capabilities. If you're looking for a watch that can handle the elements while keeping you stylish, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. It's built to withstand outdoor adventures, featuring a durable fabric strap and an Indiglo nightlight. The Arabic numerals are easy to read, even in low light, so you can confidently check the time when you're in the great outdoors. With a water resistance of 50 meters, it can handle splashes and rain, which is essential for any outdoor enthusiast. It's already gained traction with over 2,000 sold recently, proving it's a favorite among nature lovers. Now, some reviews mention that the fabric strap can wear out over time, but honestly, for the price, the durability and functionality make it worth it. You can always replace the strap if needed, but the watch itself is built to last. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurer who loves the outdoors and wants a reliable companion on your hikes. Skip this one if you prefer a more formal watch for office wear. At under $40, you're getting a lot of utility for your money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're into digital features.
Product number 3, Expedition Digital Cat 5. Let's talk about the men's Expedition Digital Cat 5 41mm watch, retailing for $35.04. I was impressed by its sporty look and functionality. If you want a watch that can support your training sessions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. It boasts a 100-hour chronograph, perfect for tracking your lap times and splits. With 3 customizable alarms and dual time zones, it helps you stay organized whether we're training for a marathon or just managing your busy life. The Indiglo light-up dial is easy to read, ensuring you won't miss a beat during your workouts. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, so it can really handle some action. It's been a hit lately, with over 2,000 sold this month. Now, some folks mentioned the digital interface can be a bit complex at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's super user-friendly and gives you access to lots of features. If you're someone who loves data and tracking during workouts, this is going to be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you're a fitness enthusiast looking for a reliable and functional watch. Skip this one if you want a simple, classic timepiece. For around $35, you're really getting a lot for your investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more classic, the next watch will fit that bill perfectly.
Product number 4, Easy Reader Watch. We have the men's Easy Reader watch, priced at $47.92. This caught my eye with its straightforward design and easy-to-read dial. If clarity is your priority, this is worth a serious look. Why this matters for you? The large Arabic numerals ensure you can read the time without squinting, which is ideal if you've had trouble with smaller dials. The genuine leather strap is not only comfortable, but also gives it a polished look that works for both casual and formal occasions. It also features the Indiglo backlight, allowing you to check the time in the dark effortlessly. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clear that many appreciated simplicity. Now, some users noted that the strap can feel a bit stiff initially, But honestly, it breaks in nicely and provides a comfortable fit. The style is timeless, making it a great investment. This is perfect for you if you appreciate classic design and need a watch that's easy to read. Skip this one if you prefer something with more features. For just under $50, it's a solid choice for anyone who values functionality and style. All right, last but not least is another easy reader, but with a different style that might just catch your fancy.
Product number 5, Easy Reader Bracelet Watch. Let's take a look at the men's Easy Reader Bracelet Watch, which is priced at $51.10. What stood out to me here is the elegant design with a stainless steel expansion band. If you want something that's effortlessly stylish, this is worth a serious look. Why this matters? The brushed silver tone case and clear Arabic numerals make for an easy read, and the stainless steel expansion band fits comfortably on your wrist without pinching. It's also equipped with the Indiglow backlight for those moments when you need to check the time in the dark. Being water resistant up to 30 meters, it can handle late splashes but isn't meant for swimming. It's been well received with over 1,000 sold, showing that people appreciate its combination of style and practicality. Now, some reviews mention that it's not suitable for diving. Here's the thing though, for everyday use and casual outings, it performs perfectly. If you're looking for a watch that can transition from the office to dinner effortlessly, this is a great pick. This is perfect for you if you want something stylish that still offers functionality. Skip this one if you need a watch for heavy water activities. For just over $50, it strikes a good balance between style and function.
We've covered the men's Ironman Triathlon Classic 30 for active use, the Expedition Scout for outdoor adventures, the Expedition Digital Cat 5 for fitness tracking, the Easy Reader for clarity, and the stylish Easy Reader Bracelet Watch. Each has its unique strengths, catering to different needs without breaking the bank. Whatever you choose, Timex has a reliable option for you.